Ron here. Today we've got a very cool video for you guys. Our customer brought his 488 in again for a maintenance wash and to detail a few bits. You'll see more of that in the video. He gave us permission to take it for a quick drive, film it for you guys, show you guys what the car is all about. So all of us are huge petrol heads, so this is the Ferrari 488 GTB, the replacement for the 458. This car comes with a 3.9 litre twin turbo V8, 660 horsepower, 750 Newton meters. It goes like stink. Ferraris for me just a special place to be. I absolutely love it. I like Porsches. There's just something about this horse in front of you that just, I don't know, it's just a special feeling. Ferraris are special cars. I think we all grew up wanting a Ferrari, so to actually drive one, very special feeling. Absolutely love it. Let's see how it goes. Guys, back at the shop, hope you enjoyed that drive with us. The car is here for a maintenance wash, as well as the interior detail, engine bay detail. We're going to do a correction on both taillights, as well as this Ferrari engine cover. Let me show you something cool about the 488. This fog light looks exactly like a Formula 1 fog light. I think that's pretty trick. As well, let me show you how the car looks inside. The 488 is the evolution of the 458. So inside, everything you do, you control directly from the steering wheel. done. Guys, if you enjoyed this new style of video we did, please give us a thumbs up. Any other suggestions or stuff you guys want to see, please drop a comment below. Ciao.